Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 515 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the menu just by using this middle button and then go to the right and tap on it again to select the camera, to enter the camera. So right now all we have to do is to tap on this left button here to open the menu, to open the settings or the options. And here on the right we've got the self timer, so simply go to it and tap and press the middle button. Right now we can decide which countdown we want to set. So as you can see, we've got 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, for example. So just highlight it and press the middle button. And as you can see, right in the middle, we've got this 10 number, which simply means that we set the 10 kind of option of the timer. So all we have to do right now is to press the middle button again to start making a photo, and as you can see, your device will count down from 10, of course, or 3 or 5, and after that time it will simply take a photo. And basically this is how it works. Let me go back to the camera. Of course you can turn it off also whenever you want to. Just go back to the self timer here, press the middle button and go to off. Confirm it. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Nokia 515. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.